Ankara is more than just fabric. It's a statement. And when it's tailored right, it gives you that elegant, confident look every woman deserves. From flowing gowns that move with grace to fitted dresses that show off your curves, these styles are perfect for weddings, parties, and even casual outings. Notice the details: dramatic sleeves, bold prints, and beautiful cuts. Elegance is in the finishing. That's what makes these styles stand out. Whether you love long gowns, chic two-pieces, or stylish caftans, there's an Ankara style here for you. All you need is the right tailor and some inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more style, inspiration from elegant styles and sewing tricks. Thanks for watching. Stay stylish, stay elegant.